So you go to a restaurant and you order some of your favorite food. You order some paneer or chicken or whatever else that you like, and then you see that the bill comes out to about 1570 rupees. But then you notice there's another section which increases your bill and it has something to do with some percentage. Now, this is known as the goods and services tax or the GST. There are two types. One is the CGST, which is the central goods and services tax, and the SGST, which is the state goods and services tax. But what exactly is this word tax? You're going to be hearing a lot more about this word when you start earning your money when you graduate. So let's learn more about this. What is tax? It is an income source for the government. Now, when you and me as a consumer, when we want to buy something, let's say we want to buy a phone, then we go to a shop. So when we go to a shop, we pay some money to the shop and we get the phone that we want. This money that is paid is called the retail price. You might have seen it's called the MRP, right? The maximum retail price. That's the maximum price you're allowed to pay. Now the price is split into two. One is the base price, which the shopkeeper takes, and one is the tax, which is paid to the government. This tax money is the money that the government uses to run and also to build stuff like roads, hospitals, schools, airports, trains, and other things that a country needs to function. That's why tax is really important. So one type of tax is the sales tax, and this tax is applied on any product or service that you purchase from a shop or a company. Let's say it could be a phone, it could be clothes, it could be vegetables, it could also be things like educational services. All of them have a retail price. In that, we have the base price plus the sales tax. So the sales tax is applied to any product or service that you purchase. So the base price plus the sales tax gives you the retail price of that purchase. And the sales tax goes to the government. Let's see a quick example. A smartphone costs 5,500 rupees before tax. The sales tax rate is 10%. A tax rate is usually a percentage of the price, and that determines the exact tax amount. So we need to find here the sales tax and the bill amount. So the base price is 5,500 and the sales tax rate is 10%. What the sales tax would be? The sales tax would be the sales tax rate multiplied by the base price, and that's going to be 10% times 5,500, which is 550 rupees. So the total bill amount would be, which is the retail price, would be base price plus sales tax. So the base price plus sales tax, that's going to be base price is 5,500 and the sales tax we found it to be 550 rupees. So that's going to be total of 6,050 rupees. So our answer is sales tax is 550 and the bill amount is 6,050 rupees. Next we have the value added tax or the VAT. Just like a consumer pays a sales tax, a shopkeeper would pay a value added tax when he gets the smartphone from a factory. The shopkeeper has to get it from a manufacturer because he doesn't have the smartphone himself. Now when he gets it from the factory, he pays a base price, and the base price would include the factory price plus a value added tax, which is the VAT. So in this calculation, we have factory price plus the VAT gives you the base price. Let's assume that we don't have other inclusions by the shopkeeper like profits, etc. for now. Let's only worry about the tax. So the VAT goes to the government. A quick example here. A retailer got a smartphone at 5,500 which had a total VAT rate of 25%. What was the factory price of the smartphone? So just like the sales tax rate, we have a VAT rate. So now we need to find the factory price. So the base price is 5,500 and the VAT rate is 25%. But we know that the factory price plus the VAT is the base price, right? That's what we figured out. But we don't know the factory price. We have to find that. So let's say the factory price is F. Now we know that the VAT is equal to the VAT rate multiplied by the factory price, which is VAT is 25%. So 25% multiplied by F, which we assumed as the factory price. So F plus 25% times F gives you 5,500, which is we plugged this value into this equation here. So factory price is F and VAT is 25% times F. So total is 5,500, which is the base price. So if we solve this equation, we get F times 1 plus 25% equals 5,500. So F times 1 plus 0.25 is 5,500. So F equals 5,500 by 1.25, which is going to come out to be 4,400. So the factory price is 4,400 rupees. Now we come to the most important tax, which is the current tax known as the goods and services tax. A factory, a wholesaler, a retail, a shopkeeper, all of them applied different taxes known as VAT and sales tax earlier. And we had a bunch of other taxes as well. So the government decided, why not make it simpler, and let's combine everything into one type of tax, which is known as the GST, the goods and services tax. And that's why we now have GST all over, and we don't have the terms of VAT and sales tax anymore. Let's see a quick question with GST. A smartphone is priced at 12,000 by a retailer and the GST is 18%. What is the retail price? Now we need to understand that just because if we say it's a retailer and it priced it, that doesn't mean it's the retail price, right? So retail price always includes the tax. So this price that we see is the base price, which the retailer will take. But the price we pay is including the GST. So the base price is 12,000 rupees and the GST rate is 18%. And the formula is always the same, right? So it's base price plus any tax that you have will give you the final retail price. So here it's the GST. So GST is equal to GST rate times base price, just like we had other taxes. That's going to be 18% times 12,000, which is 2,160 rupees. So the retail price is going to be base price plus GST. So the base price is 12,000 and the GST is 2,160. And that's going to give you 14,160 rupees as the retail price, which is the price which we have to pay to buy the smartphone. And that's it. Hope you learned about tax today. See you in the next video.